Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Gas cylinders and their coding. So first we look at oxygen. So in terms of oxygen, the shoulder color will be white. So we'll write it as SC, that is a shoulder color. Shoulder color will be white. Next, what is the body color? Body color we are writing it as BC. Body color will be black. This is in terms of oxygen. Next is air. Next we look at air. So air is SC, that is the shoulder color will be white. Next is the body color. Body color will be gray in color. Next is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is CO2. So in body the carbon dioxide, everything is going to be gray. Next is nitrous oxide. In terms of nitrous oxide, everything is going to be blue. So nitrous oxide, everything will be blue in color. Then we look at helium. So in terms of helium, it is going to be brown. Next is the nitrogen. So nitrogen is going to be black. Next is ethylene. In terms of ethylene, it is going to be purple. And it is cyclopropane. So what is cyclopropane? So cyclopropane will be orange in color. So nitrous oxide is blue, helium is brown, nitrogen black, ethylene purple, and cyclopropane is going to be orange. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.